Today we talk about how can you create price quotes on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, click on manage down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on getting paid. So then you click here on price quotes here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on create price quotes, and you come to next step, add your name, business, then business email address. If you want to add here a logo, you click here on save and continue, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.